Yo, got the Italian Balenciagas, the USA $10,000 plus mountain bike build, Carbon, Envy, Industry 9 Torch, Fox 36 Factory, Berg Tech, DHRP Evo, Envy Carbon, Chris King headset, Yeti SB5 frame, upgraded, Vivid coil with piggyback. We've got 5 dev cranks, 5 dev enduro pedals, premium chain. We have the XX rainbow cassette, XX axis wireless shifting. Ooh, it's wireless. Hope dropper lever, Thompson Elite dropper post. Boop. Carbon Chris King rear wheel with Chris King hub. Folks, we are well over $10,000 here. Berg Tech axle, fun as hell. And yes, it's got tracking systems in it. Hey, Balenciaga ballin', Balenciaga buzzing, Balenciaga biking. Go out, build your dreams. Everybody have fun. Look at that beautiful Yeti. Put together by me with a bunch of parts made in America, baby. Let's go.